Welcome friends, I am Professor, and in this video I will show you how to earn money with Telegram and YouTube. People are making thousands of dollars from this secret monetization strategy. To earn money you only need a mobile device. As you can see my mobile screen in the video itself, but I want to clear a dot that I think is in your mind right now. So this is not a quick rich scheme. To earn money from the strategy that I will reveal in few minutes, you have to invest your time consistently for about 10 days to see results. So first let me open YouTube and show you the part where I got the idea of making money on Telegram through YouTube. So I am going to type AMV, and now you can see there are many short videos on the screen. Some are older, and some are new uploads, but they are all with a good number of views, which means people are showing good interest in animes, and also we can broaden our concept by including movies, as there is always 90% chance a person will surely watch a new movie or anime, or something that's too viral. You can find a new movie or anime by simply searching it on Google or YouTube. As an example, let's take Attack on Titan's anime. We just need the download link of the anime, so I already mentioned top 3 websites in the description from where you can download any new or old movie or anime. So I picked Movies Rush, and I got the link to download the first season of Attack on Titans. Now I will simply copy the direct download link of the anime and paste it in my notes. Now a question comes as how to make money from it. So there are 2 ways you can earn money without creating a website or setting up a blog. You just need an hour a day to work this out. So first of all we need Telegram. It's an amazing messaging app, similar to WhatsApp. Install it from Play Store. Create an account with your personal mobile number. After that, move at the lower right corner. Click on the pencil. Then create a new channel. Give it a good name, and now open your browser. There are 2 links in the description of this video, named as first link and second link. Click on the first one, and create an account on this site, because this website helps to shorten URLs, and when we share them, it pays money in return. So first decide a trending movie or anime that you can easily find on YouTube. After that, find the direct download link of it. Now shorten the link on this website, and with the title of movie, post the link on your Telegram channel. Now create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do that, there are many tutorials on YouTube itself. So grab one and create a new channel. Now after creating a channel, record or edit videos like tutorials, in which you will help people to download various types of movies, directly from the link we shortened earlier. The use of second link will be revealed in the end, so stay tuned. As we took anime as an example, the title must be How to Download Attack on Titan's Anime in English, as you can choose your own. So here comes the best part. How to use Telegram here. Now in the YouTube video you are going to create, ask your audience to first join the Telegram channel, and remember to share your Telegram channel link in description, and after joining, they can access the links. After uploading consistently for about 10 days, you will surely get results, as people on both platforms are searching for these movies and anime, and when your links start getting clicks, you will generate a passive income, which most of the YouTubers keep as secret. Now let's uncover the second link in description. It's a legit website, where you can earn money by uploading files, and when someone downloads from your link, you will get paid. And if you have any doubt regarding this strategy, please contact me on Instagram, we can discuss it there. That's it for today. Subscribe for daily money making tutorials from your phone itself. Goodbye.